Welcome to Next Gen Templates. Today we are looking at the container tracking dashboard in Excel. If you move containers across ocean lanes, you already know how quickly visibility disappears once a box leaves the origin port. This dashboard pulls every shipment, every carrier, and every port back into one clear picture. Let us dive right in. This is the overview page and it gives you the health of the whole container operation at a glance. Across the top, you have total containers, total freight revenue, Demurrage revenue, net margin value, total demurrage, and average transit days. Just below, we compare freight revenue against operating cost by month, and we track on-time delivery percentage on its own progress indicator. Alongside it, you can see total containers by status and on-time delivery percentage broken down by destination port. On the right side, you have slicers for month, shipping line, and origin port, so the entire page refilters the moment you click. Now let us move to the transit trend page. This is where you watch performance move over the year. We start with total containers by month, so you can see volume building through the year. Next to it, average transit days by month shows whether your schedules are tightening or slipping. Below that, on-time delivery percentage by month tells the reliability story month after month. And on the right, you have total freight revenue by quarter for a wider view of how the year closed out. Next up, we have port analysis. This page answers where your volume, your money, and your delays actually sit. Total containers by origin port shows which loading ports carry the operation. Total freight revenue by destination port shows where the income is landing. Then total demurrage by origin port highlights exactly which ports are costing you in waiting charges, and average transit days by destination port shows which arrival ports run long. If we head over to carrier performance, this page is built to help you negotiate. Freight revenue versus operating cost by shipping line shows what each carrier earns and what each carrier costs. On-time delivery percentage by shipping line ranks them on reliability, and average service rating by shipping line gives you the customer view in a simple star scale. Total containers by priority rounds it off, showing how much of your traffic runs standard, express, or critical. The last page is cargo insights. This one looks at what is actually inside the boxes. Total freight revenue by cargo category shows which commodities pay the best, while total gross weight by cargo category shows which ones are heaviest to move. On the right, total containers by container type breaks your fleet mix down across dry, high cube, reefer, tank, and open-top equipment. Everything you have seen is driven by one simple data sheet. It holds 500 sample shipment records, and each column is a plain field like date, port, carrier, status, revenue, and cost. You just replace the sample rows with your own shipments in exactly the same format, and the workbook takes care of the rest. Behind the scenes, there is a support sheet holding all the pivot tables that feed every card and every chart. Once you have updated your data, go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon and click Refresh All. Every pivot updates, every chart redraws, and you can keep that sheet hidden so your users never need to touch it. You can download this container tracking dashboard using the link in the description below. Visit nextgentemplates.com for hundreds more ready-to-use Excel, Power BI, and Google Sheets templates. Thanks for watching, and do explore the rest of the collection.